Hello and welcome to Bare Beauty Basics. So today I want to show you how I take my day look, which is very basic, just little concealing around my eyes, a skin tint, some brows and a lip tint. How can I transform this look into an evening look? Okay, so nothing crazy, just a doable, a realistic evening look. Okay, so I'm going to start with uh, evening out a little bit of the concealer part just under my eyes, and I'm using very few products because I know you, if you have a sudden plan to go out, or it's just you have just 10 minutes to do this, you can. So what I'm doing here is taking this concealer. This is by Too Faced, and I'm just going to, by the way, I want to know, does this happen to you guys as well? Every time I have this MAC Studio Fix Compact hit pan, the lid breaks. I don't know what it is about the packaging. It's a shame that it is such an expensive compact, but yet, this happens with the packaging, which is, I would I would not like it at all. It breaks my heart to see expensive makeup products coming apart like this. Let me know in the comment section if that has happened to you as well. So I am coming back to the makeup look. I'm going to just dot it here, maybe a little, just to give it a lift. Nothing crazy, all right? And I am going to take a small fluffy brush and just blend it in. Remember to use a very light hand, because if you press too hard with a brush, the look might turn streaky. Okay, that happens depending on what lies underneath the concealer. So if you're pressing too hard, it tends to become a little streaky, not creasy. By the way, this concealer doesn't crease at all, like not a bit. And that's why this is a this is a very good deal to invest in. Now that you have the Nika Black Friday sale, the Pink Friday sale. I don't know why I mix up with the Black Friday. Uh, it's a really nice product to invest in if you are looking for that one concealer that you can go out and reach out for anytime you want to get ready in just a few minutes. This is going to do your job so quickly and easily without much blending. And just going to set it by pressing with my fingers. That instantly lifts up that part near my eyes. Okay, I forgot the brush. So I am using this fat kabuki brush. Um, this is no specific brand. This is a local, this has no brand name on it. So you can pick up whatever you have. A flat kabuki brush is what you need. And just, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. I'm in the shade NC30. And this is a very, very good powder foundation to invest in. If you have been looking for that one powder foundation which can get you ready, if you have 5 minutes to get ready and you want to hit the door, then this is what you need. And this is absolutely the perfect time to shop because you have such good deals all over the internet because of the Black Friday. It just evens out your complexion within seconds, not even minutes, within seconds, guys. It's unreal. And now we move on to, for some reason I haven't got my brushes here. Now we are going to go do some bronzing just to add some dimension on the face that just vanished because of the powder foundation. So I am going to take this PAC bronzer, swirl it, and go with a very, very light hand. And towards my hairline, I like to stamp it because it moves my hair otherwise. Chisel out your jawline. A little bit of nose contouring. And a little on my eyelids. That's it. You basically just need two brushes, guys. Just two brushes. One to do your complexion and the other one you can use it for your bronzer and your blush. If you want to clean your bronzer, you don't want that bronzer on your blush, all you need is a tissue. Let me get it. Is a tissue and just rub it vigorously on this tissue, and whatever is left on your brush, all the pigment comes off, so you are left with a clean brush to use for your blush. Okay, that was quite a tongue twister. So now moving on to the blush part, I am going to use this blush by Nars. This is a very, very gorgeous blush. This looks scary on the pan, but trust me, it looks really gorgeous, guys. Look at the color. It is called Exhibit A, and you just need a touch of it, you just need a touch of it. And on the fleshiest part of your cheeks, it mimics a natural tan so beautifully. Whatever is left, just take it on your temples and your chin just to tie the look together. And there you have it. That looks pretty gorgeous. And time for the lips. I'm going to line my lips using this pencil. This is by Mars. And this is a very, very cheap lip pencil. Okay, you can pick up whatever you have. This is basically a brownie, a reddish brown shade. And I'm going to line my lips right starting from the bottom to the top. Little bit of overlining. I don't want to have my cupid's bow too sharp, so I'm going to make it round. Like so. And I am going to take this nude color by Lip Whip, Fay Beauty Lip Whip. I love this color. This is called Bang. Is it? Yeah, it's called Bang. So it's a very, very neutral, nude color. Very much, very similar to MAC Spiced Mocha, or what is it? Burnt Spice, sorry. Mixing up the names. This color on its own may wash you out, so that's why I recommend the liner first. So that gives you a very beautiful pout. You can leave it at this, or you can add a gloss. I'm going to add a gloss once I am done by once I'm going to do the gloss once I am going to spritz, once I'm done spritzing my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Let me get that too. So giving this a nice spritz. And now time for some mascara. This is a mascara by Fay Beauty again, and it is called Brush. You can use it for your brows as well as your lashes. So I'm going to use a good amount for my lashes first. Just a very light coat, nothing too dramatic. And once I'm done with that, whatever is left on the wand, I'm going to just brush through my brows just to define them a little. I have a little bit of mascara right under my eye, so let me clean that. And now I can go ahead and top this lip situation with a gloss. This is a very nice gloss by Rom&nd, and the shade, it is a sparkly clear gloss, and it is called Glasting Water Gloss in the color 00 Meteor Track. Okay, so I'm going to take that and do a nice gloss in the center. That's it. And what I like about this gloss is the the spatula is silicone, so it is very easy to apply. It doesn't nudge or move your lipstick underneath while applying the gloss. So that is the finished look. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look, and um, subscribe to my channel if you like my content, if you enjoy my simple way of doing makeup without too much of an effort. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.